Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been a little MIA for the last week. I decided to take most of last week off and not do any videos. I was so super busy working. I just didn't have the time. I didn't even have time to do a 5 off of 25 on Saturday for myself or even go to the clearance event at all, which killed me, but I just did not have the time. So today I'm going to go over some of the deals at Dollar General for the week of October 13th through the 19th. I also want to remind everyone to clip your 5 off of 25 for Saturday, October 19th, and make sure you're clipping your coupons because those coupons sometimes do disappear if you do not have them clipped. I was a little underwhelmed when I looked at the flyer this week and the coupons we got. It just didn't seem like anything really stuck out at me, like I had to run to the store and make sure I got it today. But I did go over some of the coupon matchups and some of the instant savings that you might want to use in your 5 off of 25 breakdowns. For the first deal, you can get either one of these, just pick one. The Schick Coconut Delight 3 count for $4.50 or the Schick Classic Sensitive for $4.50. We got a digital coupon this week for save $3 on the Schick disposables, making your final cost just $1.50. And if you want to do this deal more than once, in the 1013 Smart Source, we have that same coupon. For this next deal, we're going to take advantage of the save $3 instantly when you spend $10 on any of these brands. So you'll want to buy 2 of the Cheez-It Duos, the baked snack crackers for 7 ounces, and they're $2 each. And then 4 of the Pringles for $1.50 each, and you can get any flavor. So you're going to want 2 digital coupons here, the save $1 on any 4 Pringles full-size cans, and the save $1 on any 2 Cheez-It baked snack cracker products. So our total is going to be $10. We have $3 in instant savings and $2 in coupons, leaving our total before tax just $5. The Purex this week is on sale for $3.95. We got a digital coupon for save $1.50 on any 1 Purex liquid laundry detergent, 75 ounce, leaving your cost at just $2.45. These Sparkle paper towel 3 huge rolls are on sale this week for $4.50. And if you still have that digital coupon for save $1 off any 1 package, 6 family roll or 3 huge roll, you can pick up your pack for $3.50. We also have an instant savings of $2 when you spend $10 on certain Lysol products. So you want to pick up 1 of the Lysol disinfectant sprays, the 12.5 ounce for $4.85. And then 2 of the Lysol disinfectant wipes, the 8.9 ounce, and those are $2.65 each. And out of the 1013 Smart Source, you want 1 of these save 50 cents off any 1 Lysol disinfectant spray. And also out of the 1013 Smart Source, you want 2 of the save 50 cents off any 1 Lysol disinfectant wipes. That's going to bring your total to $10.15. You have an instant savings of $2 and $1.50 in coupons, leaving your total before tax $6.65. And I know this isn't a huge savings, but it's really good to get cleaning products sometimes and throw them in your 5 off of 25. Also this week we have a save $3 instantly when you spend $15 on the Kleenex, Cottonelle, Scott, or Viva. I put together a scenario for toilet paper, and again, not the best deal on its own, but with a 5 off of 25, it could get pretty good. So you want to pick up 1 of the Cottonelle 12 double rolls, and they're on sale this week for $7. Then you want 2 of the Cottonelle 6 big rolls of toilet paper, and they're $4 each. So for digital coupons, you want the save $1 on any 1 Cottonelle 12 count double roll and the save $2 on any 2 packages of Cottonelle bath tissue 6-pack or larger. So our total is going to be $15. We have $3 in instant savings, $3 in coupons, leaving our total before tax $9. All right, everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please like this video, and I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new. I'm hoping we get some more digitals throughout the week that make our deals a little bit better. I don't think they're that great this week, but always keep an eye on your app. Always scan what you're going to buy with your app just to make sure your coupon is going to match up. Also, if you're new to couponing at Dollar General and you do one of these deals that include an instant savings with your 5 off of 25 Saturday, make sure you're adding that to your total. Say you're having a deal with a $2 instant savings, make sure your total is at least $27 before you use your coupons, because that instant savings will come off before that 5 off of 25. All right, guys, I will talk to you later this week. I am definitely going to try to do a 5 off of 25 breakdown for you. Sorry about last week, and I hope you guys all have a great week ahead.